Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you a lesson on how to make a crochet star. So we are making a magic ring. This is very simple. Chain 3. We pull the thread to make it a little small round. Now 15 double crochet in a magic ring. We will make 15 double crochet in the magic ring. I have given basic lessons that are single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet. All these lessons are uploaded on my channel. Please go and visit if you want to learn. That are the basic stitches. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe my channel, like, share and subscribe, and give a comment on my videos. So here simply we completed the 15 double crochet in the chain. Now time to pull this thread to make the circle. Now slip stitch in the third chain. Now chain 4, 5 and 6. These are 6 chains. Single crochet in chain 1. Half double crochet in second chain. Double crochet in chain 3. Triple crochet in chain 4. Four round crochet in last chain. All these stitches are available on my YouTube channel. If you want to learn, please go and visit. We will skip 2 chains and slip stitch in third chain. Now again chain 6, slip stitch or single crochet in chain 1, half double crochet in chain 2, double crochet in chain 3, triple crochet in chain 4, four round crochet in last chain. Or it can be said as extended triple crochet. We will skip 2 chains and slip stitch in third chain. So we have to repeat this process 3 more times to make a star. This is very simple and easy method. So here is the final look of star. I'm going to repeat the last one. Single crochet in first chain, half double crochet in second chain, double crochet in third chain, triple crochet in fourth chain, triple crochet in fifth chain, sorry. We will skip 2 chains and slip stitch in next chain. So here is the final look of star. This is a very simple and easy method. Do try it and let me know in comments about your star. I hope if you like my video, please share it with your friends who want to learn the basic crochet. There are so many basic stitches on my channel for the beginners. Thank you.